Hey YouTube, this is Teresa, and in this video I'm calling this series Confessions of a Debt Collector. First of all, you need to know the process of how debt collectors work. First of all, debt collectors actually purchase debt portfolios for pennies on the dollar. So let's say you owe $500, for example. Chances are they actually purchased your debt for $10 or less. Now, once the debt is purchased, the collection agency or the debt collector can now contact you for the full amount. So they just purchased your $500 debt for $10 or less. I want to make sure that you guys understand that. Now, once your credit report shows any signs of positive activity or inquiries, the debt collector will place the collection account on your credit report to decrease your credit score. And this is the reason why it is super important for you to check your credit report yearly. Also, what you want to do is you want to stop copying those debt validation templates online. Most debt collectors can tell whether you printed a letter from a template or you actually wrote the letter yourself. What you want to do is you want to keep it simple. Use the template as a guide. You do not want to copy the template verbatim. Also, you are under no obligation to talk to debt collectors. What you want to do is you want to send them a cease and desist letter, letting them know you no longer wish to be contacted by their company. Now, depending on the age of the debt, creditors in most cases will verify the debt with the credit bureau. Now, this is the reason you must stay diligent and do not give up. You want to continue to dispute until the debt is removed from your file. Now, this step right here is the main reason why people who are attempting to clean up their credit choose to go through a credit repair company, because it's a long process. Again, you can do this yourself, but if your time is limited, I do suggest that you contact some type of debt repair company there. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. There's only two companies that I will recommend. And folks, I don't receive any type of compensation from either of these companies, but I know the individuals, and I've studied and researched the information that they put out there, and they're legit and valid. Also, the debt collectors are trained to not accept "I do not have money" as an excuse. So if the debt is validated, try to work out some type of payment arrangement. And you never want to go through any type, like I said, any type of scammy credit repair company that claims that they can remove debt from your credit report in hours, days, or weeks. You want to stay away from companies like that. Most of those accounts, folks, will be added back to your credit report, which will defeat the process of you trying to repair your credit. Thank you for listening, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.